Over on page number 5, the men's UB 67 kilograms final winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner, David Daniels, Team USA. The 67 kilogram, your winner by unanimous decision in the red corner, Team USA. Your result for page number 5, the UB 67 kilogram, winner by unanimous decision, Team USA, red corner, David Daniels. Page number 5, the All-American Affair, your winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner, David Daniels, Team USA. Silver goes to David Daniels, Team USA.